Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So hey, I'm back for like one video and maybe another few. It's so sad. But anyways, today's video is gonna be a lip swatch video because your girl got some lipsticks from Kylie Cosmetics and Colourpop, and I've been dying to try these shades out because I've received this, like my package. I've got it for like a week or two, and I want to swatch it so badly, but I feel like I should do a lip swatch video because these shades look stunning. Like on computer it looks stunning in video, but I haven't tried it on myself, so I'm really excited to try it out. And yeah, I hope you guys like this video and let's get to it.
Right now, everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. If you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging or painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. Because you're worth it. You can have this feeling